So my topic start from ln. What is ln? Ln means link, and we want to create link for any file, any folder we can create, just like symbolic link, just like soft links. So there are two types of link. The first one is soft link, and the another one is hard link. Hard link. So in this topic I will discuss about soft link and hard link. What is soft link and what is hard link? That will be created by this particular command. Suppose if we have a Windows machine and we want to create a soft link of this particular file, what I will do, first right click this particular file folder, just send to, and just create a link, just like shortcut. And we want to open any file from any location, we can create a soft link. Suppose we want to create a soft link, then right click on any location, just like desktop, document, then new, then just click on shortcut. It's just like a soft link. When we want to open any file from any location, we can create a soft link, then create on shortcut and give the path, specify the path from which location you want to open the file from desktop. From desktop I want to open any file that is located in any location. It can be C drive, it can be D drive, just like that. I want to open this any one file from D drive, just like D drive. We have a D drive option also here. It's, and in this D drive we have a file. The file name is host. The file name is host. We want to open this file from desktop location, so we can create. So just open this, located in this drive. What I am working in desktop, so we can open this from desktop. If we open any file from the current location, so we can create the soft link. So soft link is used to open any file from the current working location. So we will create a soft link. So it's a soft link, just like soft link. If we want to check it's a link or not, so we can check in the details section. In detail section, what is this? It's a link. .lnk. The extension is lnk. .lnk. It means it's a link. What the file type? It's a shortcut. From which location it will open? It
C
will
drive.
open from desktop. And what is the original location of this file? So we can check. This is the file, and the original location is not showing in this. In shortcut it will show. It will showing in shortcut location. This is the original location of this file, and this is the shortcut location of this file. This is the shortcut location of this file. So folder path is this. So we can open this. This is the location, this is the file name, this is the link. So in Windows we use soft link like this. So when we create this particular link, the file will be opened from the D location. So specify this is my file. To sort the path, so if we want to sort any file path, we can use soft link. So this is the soft link. Now in Linux, how can I use this? Suppose I am working in this particular location. The location name is root. And I want to work in desktop location. Where is desktop? So CD desktop. Now I am working in this particular location. And I want to a file. The file name is cat/etc passwd. I want to open this particular file from this particular location. So type this particular path. If we want to access this particular file from this particular location, so we type a full path of this location, not only passwd. If we want to only by using this particular name, it can't use, it can't open like this. So type full path of this location, then it will open. So it will open. But I want to open this by only using this particular name. We can't open this. So for this, we can create a soft link. Soft link is used to resolve the long path name. Like ln is a command that is used to create soft link also and hard link also. Then type -s for soft link, and we want to create soft link of this particular file. This is my original file path name, and this is my link name, my passwd. So we can open this particular file from this particular location by using this particular name, like this. So the soft link will be created. Now we have created a soft link. When we type this again, it will show me the name is already exist. Then type ls, your name, your soft link will be created. Now you can see this. When we do any change is this in this particular file, the change will be replicate in this location. When we change in this particular file, the change also will be replicate in this particular file, like this. Suppose now we can open this particular file. The file name is what? My passwd. So the data will be same. Data will be same. Like suppose I am creating one user. What is the command to create a user? Tapan, tell me the command. What is the command to create user? I want to create a user. What is the command? Krishna, tell me the command to create user.
User.
That's a user add. What is the command? The command name is user add. And we want to create a user. The user name is my user 01, and this is my username, and the user will be created. And we want to check this, and we want to check this in which location it will create. It will create in this particular location. This is the location where all the user will exist, and we want to specify this. Then we can use this particular command, and my username is this. So we check my user will be created or not. The user will create it, and we want to specify this in this particular location. The user will be redirected in this location or not. When we any change in this particular file, this will also redirect in this particular file, and we want to check. So specify the path of current location, my passwd. The date same data will be exist in this particular file and same data will be exist in this particular file. This is the original file. We can check by this. This is the original file and this is the link name. How can we justify this? It's a link. We can check by using first letter. The first letter is only a L. L means link. And we can also justify by using -I option. So it has the different inode number. What is the inode number of this particular file? And we want to check. We can check inode number. It means sequence number of any file. So this is the inode number of this particular file. And this is the inode number of this particular file. Every file folder have its own inode number. So this is inode number. So now this is the example of soft link. Suppose we want to create a hard link. What I will do? Type only ln command. For which file you want to create a hard link? I am creating the same one, passwd. So I can differentiate between soft link and hard link. And my hard link name is my passwd underscore hard. The name will also be different. This name will be for soft link and this for the hard link. The hard link will be created like just you can check this. So this is your hard link and this is your soft link. What is the difference between soft link and hard link? How can I differentiate this? So there is no L option here, only just hyphen. But how can differentiate it's a hard link or it's a normal file? It's a regular file. How can I differentiate this? So we want to differentiate this by using this. What is the inode number of this particular file? This is the file that is located in this location. What is the inode number of this? This is the inode number. And in this location, this inode number and this inode number will save. So for the hard link, inode number will be same for the original file and for the hard link also. So it just same data. If we replicate this particular location, it will replicate also this particular location, but data will be same. Suppose if we delete this particular original file, data will not be deleted because all the data will exist in this particular location. So I'm showing this by using another example. Suppose I create one file. Tell me the use of this particular command. I have told you earlier session what is echo, both of you, and Anas also.
To print.
What is the use of echo? To change what? Echo command is used, I tell you earlier, to print the message, only. By default, it will print the message in where? Terminal. It print the message in terminal. If we want to redirect, this message in file, what I will do? We can use this particular symbol. We can use also for appending. This is for overwrite the file, overwrite the message, overwrite. and this is for append the message. I will show you the example also. Suppose echo and we want to type a message. This is ln command demo and I just enter. What it will do by default? It will print the message in terminal. What it will do? It just only used to print the message, only for the print. Mostly it is used in scripting to print any types of message by using the script. So it will use. So it echo is used to print the messages. By default it prints the message in terminal, and we want to print the message, we want to redirect the message from terminal to any file, we can do. So it print the message in terminal and we want to redirect this. So we use greater than sign. What we will use? We use greater than sign. Then the name of the file. My file name is my file 01 dot. We also define the extension. If we want to define the extension या file format for any file, we can define. So the message will be redirect in this particular location. So how can I check this? We can use cat command to check this, then the name of the file. So all the message will be redirected in this. Suppose we want to type any other message in this file, what I will do? This is ln, no, I type another message. There are two types of link, hard and soft. So we want to redirect this message in this particular file. When we use only this, it will overwrite. It will erase all other content, just like it with this file, this line will be removed if we'll use this particular symbol, only greater than. When we use two greater than, it will append. It will append means it will add the another line after this particular line. So this particular line will be added after this line by using this particular symbol like this. So we check. So this is my first line and this is my second line. Suppose this is very important file. This is my very important file and we want to create a soft link and hard link both of this file. So what I will do? We want to create a soft link of this particular file. So type the name of this file and give the name of hard link, soft link. So we define soft underscore this. So it is my soft link and we want to define hard link at the same time. So we can also define. So this is the name of hard link and remove this -s option. So hard link will be created. So we have original file, we have soft link this file, we have this original file, we have a hard link of this file. So we have original file and soft link and hard link both, and we want to specify, we want to check. So this is my original file and this is my soft link. Soft link, it will show height L in the first. L means link, link means soft link, and this is my original file. What is the IDOT number of these? So this is your original file. The IDOT number of this file is in the end of that is 40, And we have also the same inode number of this particular hard link. And how I will define it's a hard link or soft link. The inode, the link number for the hard link is 2, while for the soft link only the 1. By default, the link count for the file is 1 by default, and for the directory is 2 by default. So it's for 1 for the file, for regular file, and 2 for the directory. And for hard link is 2 and soft is 1. By default, when we create 2 hard link, it will change. When we create 3 hard link, it will change. By default, it's a 2. It has 2 copy. The first copy is this and the another copy is this. When we delete this particular file, the hard link number will be 1. I will demonstrate this. Like, suppose when we create a folder and when we create a file, what is the hard link of this particular file? The file hard link is always 1, and the hard link for the folder, it's a folder, it's a 2.
हार्ड लिंक 1 होता है
By
और हार्ड
default, for the directory and for the folder, it is 2, and for the files, it is 1 always. But for the hard link, it also 2. For directory and hard link, it is always 2 by default. And for the soft link, it is 1. By default, for the file and directory, for the directory is 2 and for the file is 1 by default. But you can see here, suppose I will see you this, it's 3. It's 10. By default, this is the name of the folder. What is the link count of this? It's 10. So how it will 10? I will also demonstrate you. But by default, this is 2. It means for the folder. This is 1 for the file. For the file, it's always 1. And for the folder, it's always 2. So this is for the file and this is for the folder. But when we create a soft link, when we create soft link, it always also 1, and for the hard link, it always for 2, always 2. So this is my hard link. Suppose when we delete this particular original file, what will happen? So check. When we delete, this is my original file. When we delete, there is no effect on hard link. The soft link will not work. When my original file will be deleted, the soft link will not work. Only hard link will work. Just when we delete this, then what is the result? So your soft link will not work. It will show me a message of this, and it will also show a red line. but your hard link will work. But now see, your link count will change. It's just only a regular file, not a hard link. At this time, it's not a hard link. It's just a regular file, not a hard link. Because we can create hard link for only the regular file. When we create hard link, the hard link count will be 2. After deleting the original file, it will be same just like a regular file. So not at this time it's a hard link. It's only a regular file. So this is your original file. When this file will delete, your soft link will not work. See, when we want to when we want to see the content in this file, there is no content in this file. When we see this, the all content, we have all the content, because hard link provide the backup facility also, but soft link will not provide the backup facility, because it has 2 copy. It's just a 1 copy. Just we have only a copy, and it will redirect in this. When we delete original, the soft link will not work. But for folder, for hard link, it will work. So this is the difference between hard link and soft link. When we create with the same name, when we create a file with the same name, just like hard original file, so your soft link will work. When we create same, what is the use of mb command?